Hey, Ian here. I just wanted to quickly do an update on my trades from Friday. I took losses on two PA accounts, 536 lost on my 250K and 793 lost on my 50K. Now, I'm using my sim account as a leader and copying to my PA accounts, to my PAs. I gotta stop saying PA accounts because it's redundant. Anyway, the 536, that was like 780 or something, but I let it trade one more time on that account and thankfully it was a winner. And then I just called it for the day. I already should not have let it trade again. I'm glad that it worked out and I made some of the loss back, but I got to stop doing that. I definitely feel a lot less pressure to keep trading to try to get back to green now that I'm not copy trading to all accounts at the same time. And, if I was willing to churn and burn accounts, then that's one thing, but I'm not. I'm really trying to hang on to these accounts and not doing anything stupid. Hopefully get some good payouts from them soon. Some people that I've seen on X saying that they got like $100,000, $200,000 area payouts. Both of them said one of the keys for them, besides the typical risk management stuff and mentality stuff, is just trading small groups of accounts, doing the copy trading, not copy trading all your accounts at once. And there's upsides and downsides. Originally, I was copy trading all my accounts. I even had 20 PAs at that point before I had some copier errors that took out 6 of them. And then I had some over trading in January that took out a few more. And now I have 6 left with one eval in line that I need to activate. But anyway, what was I saying? So there's benefits to copy trading to all of them. I can set, different contracts for the different accounts based on their trailing drawdown available and their account size, etc. But, maybe for my own sake, I'll keep doing what I have been doing in February, which is just copy trading to 2 or 3 accounts, because that helps me mentally. When I see red going all the way down the line on all of my accounts, I feel a lot stronger need to keep trading and try to get back to green on those accounts. But if it's only on a couple of them, I'm not so stressed out by it. But, on good days, I'm losing the opportunity of progression. So, I don't know. What are you guys doing with copy trading? What do you think about trading, 3 or 4 accounts at once, or just a small group instead of all of your accounts? I'm curious how you're doing it. And then the eval you see up there, that was just me messing around from 10 a.m. on, thinking, let me just see how it goes. And it took one loss and then a win and then another win. I just called it. So it made 268, and I just called it because I know that on Fridays, I'm a lot more likely to have a losing day. A lot more of my red days are on Fridays. So, like I said, I just decided to quit and move on to something else. I worked on some development instead and closed down NinjaTrader. So let me know how your Friday went. And if you traded today, today's Monday, the 17th, it was President's Day and the market closed at 1 EST. So I just didn't even trade today because I want, I only want to trade when there's orange or red folder news. Orange and red folder refers to the Forex factory calendar. So I just like more volatility. Anyway, I guess I will see you in the next one.